This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Jill Varga. Adorable newly painted, gray look, top unit of duplex will be move-in ready August 21, 2023. This home features open-style kitchen with gray LVP laminate flooring, refrigerator, electric stove. Laundry room off back porch includes washer and dryer combo unit. This home shows a good-sized living room, 2 bedrooms with gray carpeting. 1 pet is negotiable with refundable pet deposit of $300. Tenant is responsible for backyard mowing and weeding. 1 parking spot at unit or can park across the street at park. Near to EVMS, Colley Avenue, Aju, and downtown Norfolk. To apply, copy link, retrent.com/listings/details/CA41AD9 EV438C8 E8D36A933 IBT. For more information, review the details below.